Welcome to Dr. George Wellness official channel. If you're dealing with tight or sore inner thigh muscles, a massage gun can help speed up recovery and reduce tension safely. Position with your inner thigh sitting or lying in a comfortable. Turn on your massage gun to a low speed setting. This area is sensitive, so always begin gently. Place the massage head lightly on the inner thigh, avoiding direct contact with the groin area. Slowly glide the gun along the muscle, moving from the knee upward toward the hip. Keep the motion steady and controlled. Don't stay in one spot for more than a few seconds. Focus on tight or sore areas, but never apply too much pressure. Let the massage gun do the work. Breathe normally and keep your muscles relaxed during the process. Use the massage gun for about 30 to 60 seconds per side.